Why are you over there sitting on the wall when you could be going on a vlog with me? Come on, guys. I'm gonna take you guys Instacarting with me today. Dressed up in all of, I'm dressed to the nines today. For real, this is gonna be my real life first real vlog, like just me by myself recording a camera, like, okay, anxiety inducing, absolutely. But my goal this year is to really learn to always beat my anxiety, because honestly your anxiety is lying to you. 90% of the time it's lying to you, so don't trust your anxiety all the freaking time, okay? I mean, it's always perceiving things as more dangerous than they are, and not all the time they're not. So I hope that this video motivates anybody who has anxiety to also go outside, dress to the nines, dress the way they always want to be dressed. I mean, come on, this bee time cannot be wasted on the indoors. Like, I cannot allow myself to waste my bee on the indoors, okay? So we're going outside, and we're going outside in this dress too, and we're wearing sneakers with the dress because, again, I'm doing Instacart, so I'm not gonna not, you know, take care of myself just to look good. If my feet are hurting and I'm about to be carrying bags and bags about the items, then I'm not about to be wearing heels. I'm about to be wearing sneakers, and I don't have any slides or sandals right now because I'm not running around and doing work all in slides and sandals. So. But everything else is cute. Everything else is cute. Everything else is kiki. I love it. But yeah, you guys, come with me to do some Instacarting for today. Whoa. Okay, so now we're in my car, you guys, and I'm excited. Let me see. Where the hell is my phone? This right here is the Instacart app, and we're gonna be heading to that orange dot in the top corner right there. That's Wegmans. Wegmans is like the hot spot where I live. That's like the grocery store that you're gonna find people with a lot of money and good tippers. So that's where I tend to go often if I wanna make sure I hit like $100 in a day. My goal is to make $300 before Sunday. So hopefully we get some really good tippers today, get some really good orders today, and not having to drive too much. My max is like 10 miles is what I'll do for groceries and everything like that. But I won't, if it's like a food delivery, I won't go past like 6 miles for real, because you're not really making any money. Your gas is more important. You have to think about your gas and calculating it for real. So I'm excited to take you guys with me on this journey. Oh my god, holding my camera up with my phone, with my hand is like, whoa. So you guys are really coming with me to like experience vlogging for the first time, because I don't typically, ooh, is it gonna sit? It's not. I don't typically vlog at all, and I get really anxious and nervous like just for the thought of like people looking at me and watching me too much. But obviously I got to get over that. This is my area and time to grow. This is my year to grow, and I'm really excited to take you guys with me. So let's go freaking Instacarting, you guys. Mwah! So right now there's only like 2. I hit like 2 ones that I'm clearly just not gonna do, because one's $30 for 24 miles, and I'm like, seriously, for 12 items, which doesn't make sense. It's probably a scam. And then I got the $16 one for 10 miles, 19 items, but I don't do anything in Aldi's because you have to pack it and everything, and it's a hot mess. I just hate doing all these orders. And I got this one, honestly, their tip is just way too low. It's $7 for 3 stops and 12 miles. It's just not enough. And then 17 miles for $18. I could hide them all, but I'm just waiting for them to send me a couple more. There was one that was really good, but I didn't get it in time. Someone else snatched it up before I could get it. So now we're just waiting in the Wegmans parking lot. And it's hot as hell. Hot as hell. I'm glad I wore a dress today. Otherwise it would have been a whole fucking, I would have had to bring this shit back home. I started using the app Clapper. You guys know that app is like basically TikTok, but just worse, in my opinion, low key, because it's just not good. Okay, so it looks like that $19 one, they didn't raise the tip. What's it called? Instacart raised it. All right, let's see what's popping on DoorDash. If you guys didn't know, I'm on Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart, because I refuse to work another goddamn retail job. I'd rather work all remote. Yeah, no, it's not even busy on DoorDash either, so it might not be busy on Instacart today, which is fine. If it's dead, it's dead. My goal really today was to make $100. I could always come back out at 2 o'clock if anything, but I really want to take you guys with me Instacarting, so I'll wait out a little longer, put my AC on so I don't die in this damn car. But I don't like using my AC too much because that obviously takes up a little bit more of the gas, which could make my day a little bit harder and a little bit less money. So we'll see what's going on for real. But right now, still no orders. Usually like every 15 to like 30 minutes, they'll give you like an update. But that also takes away from your time to then pick orders and then deliver them. So I always say, if you're using multiple apps like me, sign into all of them for the day and then see which one is biting. That's the way you get the most out of all these types of apps, making money on your phone. Okay, you guys, so we did get a batch order, one for $15, and we're heading to Dedham. And it's only 5 items, so this is about to be the quickest shopping I've literally ever done in my entire freaking life. I'm about to run in and grab some more stuff, so come with me. I'm so excited. Okay, so now I'm in Wegmans. Now we're gonna start shopping. Always connect to their Wi-Fi. Makes life a lot easier. Burgers, salad, potato salad is what they need. So 3 onions, potato salad. I think the onions are right there. So I want 3 big ass onions. These ones right here. These are freaking huge. Alright, grab the bag. Do what I gotta do. I'm looking for this very specific type of cheese that the lady's asking for. I'm looking for this. And I don't see it. So I'm like, shit, I'm gonna have to ask an employee for some type of help right now because I have no idea what the hell I'm looking for. So it's a big old block. I didn't see it. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong section. No? Okay, my bad. Oh. I'm gonna ask the cheese person to see it. Could just be on the other side. I might just be bugging out. It's not it. Hi. Oh no. Do you guys have the cheddar cheese with jalapeno and cayenne pepper?
I think we might
Still good.
check.
I'm looking at it. Oh, thank you. All right. Okay, yeah, this cheddar. I don't see none of it. There, jalapeno.
Yeah.
Found it. After not being able to find it because I was in the wrong section. Yeah. All right. Cool. Now we're looking for the Angus beef. Signature. Oh no, she wants Angus beef. Another thing on the list. Another thing on the list is this potato salad. I don't know if she wants a family bag. No, she wants a smaller bag. Alright, wonderful. Got it. Still gotta scan it. My panic right now is that the app keeps saying that something's wrong with it and that I gotta restart the system. So I'm like, oh shit, please don't let today not be a day to make some moolah because I will end up freaking the fuck out. I'm now going to the salads to see what the hell else is next. Okay, there are the salads. Target acquired, and the right size potato salad. She only wanted the 16 ounce. Now I got both. Period. So this is the final cart. I don't know. My first day out vlogging, and I run into someone from my high school. Yeah. All right. God is like determined, universe, spirit, whoever, determined as fuck to make sure that I get comfortable doing this anywhere and everywhere. But the lady only got 2 bags, and now we're gonna do the delivery. almost the easiest 20 bucks I've ever made in my entire freaking life. I'm gonna put the water in my trunk and we can get going. Oh yeah, and I gotta take a picture of the receipt too. Always make sure if you're Instacarting that you take a picture of the receipt beforehand. People be lying, trying to act like you paid for more stuff than you did. They can't be having that. See, this is why I like picking orders that are 5 miles with high payments, like $15. Because look, 10 minutes and I'll be right back here. Like, that's what I was thinking about, the time that it takes you to get back to where you're already shopping. That's how you're gonna make the most money on Instacart. So let's go deliver, guys. And to make sure that the customer's information is always hidden, I do not show the address that I pull up to. I just, you know, I'm gonna show me pulling up to the spot, but like not to the place. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But y'all see the bags in the back. My messy car for right now, but y'all see the bags in the back, whatever. Let's go.
I wanna dress like this. If I'm working in the morning, I'm in the midnight shift. I wanna dress like this. I wanna dress like this. I want me in the casket. Can't kill me, I'm a bad bitch. I wanna dress like this. I wanna dress like this. If I'm working in the morning, I'm on the midnight shift. Can't kill me.
Y'all see how crazy the person in front of me is driving? They're driving so fucking reckless. I mean, hopefully, let this be my year of being lucrative in all areas, including my love life, period. Damn, we're kind of like bugging though. Like, everybody just zoomed for no reason. Anyway, let me stop vlogging and driving. Okay, so I just arrived at the house and they asked me to leave it inside their front porch, so I'm about to do that and bring out all the things. Watch me. Alright, so I'm on my way heading back to Wegmans right now, and I'm really excited. That order was started at 15 and then ended at 17. So, see guys, perseverance, trusting yourself, trusting your gut. And honestly, right now, this is like the first time I've ever been like so freaking like I'm anxious, but I'm controlling my anxiety, and I'm really proud of myself right now. So, all right, see you guys in the next order. Okay, so to give you guys a little story time about that girl that I saw from my high school, basically a minute ago my account got hacked, right? So it sent everybody like, you know, Viva, hit this, you win $1,000 or whatever, to literally every single person, even people I never even spoke to from my freaking high school. And I was like, okay, shit, right? So I guess later on, I don't know if her account got hacked as well, but she hit me up. No, well, it seemed like it did get hacked at some point, right? Because it sent me this big long message, and I was like, okay, so maybe her account got hacked, right? Then she texted me, hey, beautiful, and I was like, okay, mind you, this is an openly out girl, so I was like, okay, I'm out, but like, not that many people know I'm out, like, if that makes sense. Like, I'm out to the world, but like, somewhat closeted to my family, and they're never gonna see this YouTube video. Why? Because not all of them are supportive of my fucking dream. Anyways, before I get real shady, so then she kept messaging me and kept messaging me and kept messaging me, and I was like, what? So I thought it was really crazy that the person who literally always hit me the fuck up no matter what was going on and always trying to hit on me is the first person I see when I start vlogging, and I'm looking real good today too. So I was like, damn, this is kind of crazy, but whatever, I guess that's life. But that's a little story time about why I was like, oh shit, I cannot believe I ran into somebody from freaking high school. When my best friend sees me, she's gonna be like, who the fuck? I'm gonna be like, girl, her. You're like, oh, let's go connect dots. And it's crazy because I did my story time that I posted on TikTok today, which seems to be doing really well. I'm about to check my phone in a minute. Was also about high school. Another girl from my high school who used to like spread rumors and lies about me was supposedly my friend. I feel like high school is really where you learn who your fake friends are, and I learned very quickly. And in college, I learned an even bigger lesson. And I'm definitely going to do a story time about that hoe. But I'm talking about this one, I might as well do another. But yeah. And now we're back waiting at Wegmans to see if we can get another order. My arm's getting tired carrying this heavy ass camera. Okay. All right, now do it to you. I said now do it to you. I'm going to do it to you. So I'm debating on whether or not I'm about to pick up this order from Stop and Shop that's a little ways away from me, but it also bring me kind of home, so I'm not sure if I should do it or not. Wait, where is this Stop and Shop though? It says it's in Canton, but the houses, yo, like, I don't know, they just look, it might not be worth it. But also, it looks like it's just 7 miles for real. But I'm like wondering why nobody else is picking it up. Probably because it's a 3 shop and deliver. Nobody wants to do those. Yeah, and only $8 tip. Maybe it's not worth it for real. But I'm not getting nothing else. No. No, I'm not getting nothing else. Alright, so I might just be dead on Instacart right now. I might just do DoorDash at 5 instead. Let me know if you guys want me to do more Instacart vlogs, or if you want me to do some DoorDash vlogs, or if you want me to do some Uber Eat vlogs. I'm down to do it all for you guys on vlogging, because this is literally my life. Like, this is how I make my money. This is how I do it. Like, social media doesn't pay enough when you're just starting out for real. So this right here is how I pay my mother freaking bills. Oh, this one keeps going up and up and up and money though, because nobody wants to pick it up. Something's wrong. Nobody wants to pick up this order. They just upped the price again. Nobody wants to pick it up. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the makeup, the story time, and the get ready with me is on my TikTok at Kamaria Lewis, and my Instagram, of course, at Kamaria Lewis, and of course my YouTube, which is at Kamaria Lewis. Make sure you go follow it all. And if you guys ever want to chat with me some more, feel free to DM me, message me, and send me questions and makeup looks that you guys are interested in. Peace out. Thanks so much for joining the vlog.